Welcome back if you're a subscriber. This is Headlight Medicine, a new product from Patriot Car Care that claims to get headlights shinier than my forehead in the Florida sun. We're going to try it. And it looks, at first glance, like something you find in the glove box next to your expired registration and some breath mints. But we're going to see if this little vial holds up to its claim and see if we can bring shine back to these crusty headlights behind us. Stay tuned. These headlights have definitely seen some things, like over 6 years of the Florida heat and humidity. Let's see if we can bring them back. Alright, the directions are right at the bottom. Step 1, taping headlight off. And it's a great idea if the headlights are on the vehicle. It makes it easier if you've removed the headlights from the vehicle and set them on a workbench like this. However, if you're going to be reusing the headlights, which would be the purpose of this, that is probably not going to happen. So make sure you tape off the area around the headlight first to protect the paint, to protect the trim, and make sure that anything we're working on stays on the headlight. Step 2 is going to be the restore process, and this says if needed, use 2,000 to 3,000 dry or wet dry sandpaper to remove yellowing. And as we look at this, we've already done that. We've removed the yellowing, but there's still a lot of discoloration, and these have been sanded within, I'd say, probably 3 months. So, all right, step 3 for using the Headlight Medicine is to buff. It says wash headlights thoroughly with soap and water. Well, look at that. We happen to have soap and water. So we're going to go ahead and get these washed off. We are going to use a dish soap, which is going to strip oils and any fillers that are already in there. That way we have bare surface, a bare substrate to work with to see how this product performs. After you wash the headlights with soap and water thoroughly, the next step is to protect. And you're going to place a few drops of the Headlight Medicine onto an applicator and apply in an overlapping pattern, and then you're going to let it cure. You're going to allow 15 minutes of dry time. That's it. No witchcraft, no UV curing, just clean the surface, wipe it on, and hope you didn't make it any worse. We're going to give it 15 minutes. We'll come back and take a look and see what these headlights look like. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes on this. And as you can see down here, we capture in the light, there is still some discoloration. Up here, there's still, yep, you can catch it on camera, a little bit of discoloration. So what we're going to do is try something a little bit off script to see if it works. Is I've saturated, see that little area in the center of the pad, I've saturated it with Headlight Medicine. Now these badly discolored areas down here, we're going to saturate it with the Headlight Medicine, but instead of rubbing it in, we're going to kind of pat it in. Same thing up here. Well, not bad. I mean, really not bad. You saw what we started with. This definitely went from cloudy judgment to might pass inspection. Now, is it perfect? No. And if we look, we can still see where the surface was damaged. But for a quick wipe-on product, I mean, that's gotten a lot better than what we started with. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our mailing list at evocative.site. Right here. And you'll be first to get notified of upcoming product tests. Subscribers get exclusive access to new product trials. And you also get first notification of deals before they're released to the general public. Have a great day.